Galena is solving the following system. And here's a couple steps that she took. They're going to ask us which statement explains Galena's mistake. So we're watching out for a mistake. So understand that the method that they're describing is step by step. Galena is trying to turn this original system into a reduced row echelon form, where ultimately you're going to have 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so this is the end goal for this part of the equation. So in other words, you would have like 1x plus 0y plus 0z, and so on. So just keep that in mind. We're looking for zeros and ones. So let's see what she does. In step 1, she multiplies equation 3 by 3. Let's go ahead and do that. So if we multiply equation 3 by 3, that's going to give us 12x minus 12y minus 3z is equal to negative 9. And then she adds it to equation 1. So if I take this and I combine it with equation 1, so that's 12x and 3x, that's going to give me 15x. Negative 12 and positive 2 is going to be negative 10y. And then negative 3z and positive 3z makes 0z. All right, focus on that for a second. 5 and negative 9 makes negative 4. But notice we're getting our first 0 here, and that's good. We want zeros for both z and y eventually. Okay, but getting a 0 here is what we wanted. So now let me just erase that and make space. Let's analyze step 2. Step 1 looks good because we got the 0. What about step 2? She multiplies equation 3 by negative 7. Okay, so if we take equation 3 and we multiply everything by negative 7, we're going to get negative 28x plus 28y plus 7z is equal to positive 21, right? A negative times a negative is a positive. That's why all three of these are positive. So now she adds it to equation 2. So we're adding these two equations together. So let's see what happens. If we add negative 28x and 7x, that's going to give us negative 21x. If we do 28y and y, that'll be 29y. And then, if we add positive 7z and positive 7z, that's going to be 14z. That's already a problem because we don't have any zeros here. All right, we really wanted at least one of these. We really wanted this z to be a 0, 0z. So she was so close here. We have this 7 and then we have another 7. The problem is that she multiplied by a negative 7. Imagine that she had multiplied by a positive 7 instead. All right, if she had multiplied by positive 7, then we'd have positive 28x minus 28y minus 7z is equal to negative 21. So if we combine now, if we do the negative 7z with the positive 7z, these will cancel each other out and give you the 0 that we want right here. So that's the problem. The problem is in step 2, when she multiplied by -7, she should have multiplied by +7. Okay, so if we look at the answer choices, she did not multiply equation 3 in step 2 by the correct value. She should have done +7, not -7. That's the problem.